Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Character.AI. So this is the old Character.AI website, and I'm just going to show you. So this is the new website of the Character.AI, and if you want to go back to the old version, just need to click on your profile, then click on back to old site, and it will redirect you here. And if you want to add friends, you just need to click on community right here and pick anything. Let's say I'm just going to go to general, and let's say I want to add this user named @lemonade_lover. Just need to click on their post just like so, and click on their profile, and as you can see there is a follow button right here. So just click on that and you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.